Why are you going to pay $1,500 for one class at Ohio State University? It's what you've been told to do forever because high school is just meant to prepare you for college, right? To pay thousands of dollars and years of time for classes you've basically already taken. This is where general education classes, or gen eds as sometimes they're called, this is where they really rule. But here's the thing, you're basically repeating high school when you take these gen eds. Here's the best way I've found, and what you're going to learn in this video, to take care of many or even all of those gen ed classes for free. Yes, that's right, for free, through something called the CLEP exams. Now, if you're new here, my name is Josh. I was a teacher, a school counselor, and a principal of almost 15 years. I've walked over 3,000 students down the path of earning significant college credits and even college degrees by the time they graduate from high school. And it's my mission is to show you as many people as I can to save thousands of dollars on the cost of college without scholarships, student loans, or 529 plans. And one of these things I love the most are the CLEP exams. Now, what is the CLEP? CLEP is the college level examination program, a program that's been around for 50 years but isn't talked about enough. It's a program that's administered by the College Board, the same organization that oversees AP, SAT, etc. You've probably heard of those, right? Now, there's a whopping 34 of these CLEP exams to choose from just about every subject out there, all of which can satisfy some sort of gen ed requirement at Ohio State, or I'm sorry, the Ohio State University. Each exam is 90 minutes long, and you can take them at any time, as long as you're age 13 or older. There's no permission needed from a high school, a counselor, or principal, or really anybody. So let's walk through it together and exactly how you can do this. Every college has something on their website related to the CLEP. A lot of times you've got to come up here in the top right into the search bar and type in CLEP, type in CLEP and do a search and see what you get. Okay. So that's kind of an easy way to find it because sometimes it's not really readily accessible. It can be challenging to find. But for Ohio State, this is what you're going to do first. This is part of the homework and research we've already talked about that you have to determine. You may be really excited and pumped and ready to go and ready to take your first CLEP exam, but you've got to take a step back. You've got to do your homework and research to determine, does the college or the colleges I'm considering accept the CLEP exams? So for this example, we're going to use Ohio State. This is their page. They make it pretty simple. They break it down very, very nicely. I like how they do it. But how they're going to do this, 34 different CLEP exams, Ohio State breaks everything down alphabetically. These are the exact exam names. Okay, right here. Like this one, American Literature. This is what you'll see on the College Board website and on modernstates.org when you're studying for the material at Modern States to get that free CLEP voucher, right? And to prepare you for the exam. And then when you go and register on it for College Board, you're going to see, in this case, American Literature. Okay, so you can see they accept quite a few CLEP exams. Okay, so let's break it down, and I'm going to show you a really fun example that can earn you significant college credit. So stay tuned, okay? Stay with me. You're going to get the test subject, in this case, American Literature. The score you have to earn, in this case, you have to earn a 53. Now, with your score, when you take your CLEP exam, you're going to get a score sheet right when you finish the exam. And it's going to have a score on it like this. May not mean anything to you just on that piece of paper, but it's going to show you the exact score that you earned on that particular exam. Now, let's say you took the American Literature exam and you scored a 60. Well, according to Ohio State, you need a 53 or higher, and you can earn what's called English special credit. So in this column right here, they have the courses that are the equivalent to that particular CLEP exam. Now, ideally, what you want to do as a rule of thumb, you want to find an exam that has an exact course match. So whenever you see English special credit, or in this case, social science special credit, there's no exact match. But here's a little interesting little caveat right here. You see American government listed twice. It's not two different exams, it's the same exam, but look at the scores. They're different, right? So if you're in a 56 to a 62 on your CLEP exam for American government, Ohio State will give you social science special credit. Now, whenever you see a number in the parentheses, that is the amount of college credit that will be awarded to you on your transcript. Here's a neat thing. If you score 63 or higher, they will give you an exact course match. In this case, political science, 1,103 credits. Okay. With me so far? Okay, you can see they accept a lot of different exams. Here are the exams I really like and that are sometimes missed by students. There are 3 world language CLEP exams: Spanish, French, and German. That can give you significant college credit. So I always recommend, if you're a native speaker, if you're a fluent speaker, if you're bilingual, or if you have a really strong foundation in Spanish, French, or German, highly consider taking a CLEP exam, because you can see right here, we'll scroll down to Spanish. You saw French and German for a moment, but Spanish in particular. And there's not 3 different Spanish exams, okay? It's one exam, but you earn the credit based on your score. So in this case, if you score a 56 to a 62, you're going to earn college credit at Ohio State for Spanish 1101, 4 credits, and Spanish 1102, 4 credits. 4 plus 4 is 8, right? So you're earning 8 credits from one exam. Now look at this. Let's say you're just on it. You're a fluent speaker, you're native, you're have a strong foundation, all those things that we just talked about. Look how many credits you can earn if you score a 68 or higher. You're going to earn credits for 4 credits of 1101, 4 credits of 1102, 4 credits of 1103, 3 credits of 2202, 4, 8, 12, 15. 15 college credits, you guys, if you score at the highest level. 15. That is one semester of college credit from one 90-minute Spanish CLEP exam. 15 credits at about $500 a credit hour at Ohio State. Do that math. You're saving thousands of dollars on these CLEP exams. Okay. Last thing I always want to mention, do not rely on a university's website for information. Okay. As far as accurate information, because Ohio State's still advertising that the CLEP exam is $95. Okay, it's not $95; it's $97. They're not going to talk about anything in here. They don't talk about anything about modern states, how you can get it for free. They talk about administration fees and all these things. Make sure you're following this channel. I give you the most updated information. Check my website, check everything, because it's going to show you the hacks on how to do this. So we're going to go and move on to the next step in the video. All right, now that you've got a better idea of what Ohio State will accept and the amount of money you'll save on college costs, let's learn how you can save $97 per exam and take the exam for free. This is where a website I love called Modern States comes in. By the way, I'm going to link all of these resources in the links in the description right below, so make sure you check those out. Also, if you're loving what you're hearing and learning so far, it'd mean the world to me. Hit the like and notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. Okay, back to Modern States. Modern States has a ton of CLEP exam study material that they've essentially broken down into mini courses. You can get through these courses in a few hours to a few days, and the best part is they prepare you to take these CLEP exams. The other best part is once you complete the study material, they're going to give you a CLEP exam voucher to go take the exam for free. It's $97 worth of savings for every CLEP exam you take, and you can do this, you guys, over and over and over again. There is no cap. Oh, by the way, the study material in Modern States, that's free too. That's not going to cost you a dime. Once you're ready for the CLEP exam, you'll be able to input that free voucher code you get, and you're ready to take your exam. Now, I get this question all the time. Josh, how do I know which CLEP exams to take? That's where the homework and the research comes in. And in order to effectively use CLEP, you have to work backwards. You have to look at potential college degrees at Ohio State that you're looking to pursue, and look at something called an advising worksheet. Now, many colleges advertise these advising worksheets on their website. Let's go ahead and take a look at one from Ohio State in their College of Business, one of their more popular majors. I have a idea of what the CLEP exam is all about, specifically the exams that Ohio State accepts, scores, course equivalencies, things like that. We're going to look at a very specific example, because this is where you really take it a step further. If you have a good idea of what you want to study, you want to go to Ohio State or whatever university, and you want to be, let's use the example of a business major. You want to study business. This is where you take it a step further, because colleges can play at what I call a gotcha game, where you take a CLEP exam and the university itself, in this case, Ohio State University, accepts the CLEP exam. Okay. When you choose your major, that major, in this case, this College of Business, they can come back and say, hey, We know the college, we know Ohio State accepted this CLEP credit, but we actually require you to take the actual class, or we require you to take this other thing or whatever. And guess what you're having to do? You're having to retake a class that you thought you already had credit for. You're having to pay thousands of dollars and spend a whole lot of time. So this is where you take it to the next level. So we're going to pretend you're majoring in the College of Business, something business related. Okay. We scroll to their website and then we scroll down and we see here the degree requirements, gen eds, things like that. Okay, here's where we're really going to focus on for this example. We're going to look at what they call first and second year business foundation. These are courses, think of them kind of like prerequisites that you have to have in order to move forward into these courses down here, your major specific courses. So we've got calculus, macroeconomics, microeconomics, statistics, and computer science of engineering. For this example, we're going to focus on this course, Microeconomics 2001. Now, we want to find, okay, because we want to take the CLEP exam, we want to see, is there a CLEP exam that Ohio State accepts to that will give me the course credit equivalent of Econ 2001? Okay, so we're going to move back over to that website we were at before for specific CLEPs, and we're going to scroll through our list. These are the exams Ohio State accepts, and we're going to look to see, do we see principles of economics? We do. There it is right there. If you could even take macroeconomics if you wanted to, right? And you're going to get, if you score 57 on microeconomics, 57 and above, you're going to get college credit for economics 2001. If you take macroeconomics, you score 56 or higher, you're going to get credit for economics 2002. All right, now let's look at that again. If we go back to College of Business website, there's our economics courses right there. This is how you hack college, you guys. This is how you determine which CLEP exams am I taking. I want to be a business major. I need to take economics. I can take both economics CLEP exams, earn credit, save thousands of dollars in time. All right, hopefully that helps to break everything down. Now we're going to move on to the next part of the video. I know this is a lot of information, and it's really a crash course on the CLEP exams, specifically at Ohio State, and how to efficiently use them. If you need some help, there are several ways I can help. You can find me on all the major social media platforms, and I also offer one-on-one free video calls, one-on-one college strategy sessions. Links to all that are below in the description. So what college should I do next? Leave a comment below. I'll do a video about everything I just did for Ohio State above so you can reimagine college.